Hello, here's how to cook buffalo sauce in a microwave for any spicy dish. You will need a cup to put the ingredients in, 1 tablespoon of butter, 3/4 cups of any of your favorite brand of hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and garlic powder for your ingredients.
Alright guys, first we'll need the cup that we're putting all of our ingredients in. There we go. Alright, first we will be starting with the butter. It doesn't matter what brand you get. I'd use natural butter instead of margarine because it's more healthier option. Or I mean, it depends on person to person. But alright, first we'll need a tablespoon of butter. Let's get this going. It's a little bit more, but the butterier the better for me. You can add less too if you want to be on the healthier side. Alright. We will be adding some Louisiana hot sauce. Pepper sauce is it's a better alternative because if you use like a buffalo sauce, it already has butter in it and it ruins the purpose of this recipe. So get any kind of pepper sauce. I like Crystal's, personally my favorite, but this is what I have today for you guys. Using some Louisiana. You can tell it's a little bit thick. This is a 3/4 cup measuring cup, and it's the amount we need. Let's pour that in there. There we go. Next we will be working with some Worcestershire sauce. You don't need too much of this, you just add a few dabs. Because if you add too much it makes it dark and it kind of overpowers the taste. Okay. And the final ingredient. Add some garlic powder. It depends on how much you want. If you don't want it too garlicky, then it depends, because it does make your breath smell if you add too much. But I like to have it moderate, because if it's too much, it gets too clumpy and it's just it overpowers the taste. But yeah, it's the garlic. Next, we will be bringing this to the microwave. So let's bring it over there. Alright guys, let's take this out. Let's mix this up. If the butter's still not melted like this, I'd just put it in for a little bit longer. But I'd be sure to scrape off the sides before you do, because I'll leave a residue. That's how to make buffalo hot sauce in the microwave. Thanks guys, enjoy.